Have you ever wanted to ask someone a question in English, but your mind goes blank or the words come out in the wrong order? It's frustrating, right? Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to build questions step by step. You'll finally understand how English questions really work and feel more confident every time you speak. Let's take a deep breath and go slow. There are three main types of questions you'll use the most in everyday English. 1. Yes/no questions with helping verbs. These are questions that can be answered with just yes or no. Structure: helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Let's break that down. A helping verb helps form a question. Examples: do, does, did, will, can, have, is, are. The subject is the person or thing. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. The main verb is the action. Examples: do you like coffee? Do is the helping verb, you is the subject, and like is the action. Does he work here? Does is for he or she or it in the present. Did they come yesterday? Did is for past tense. Tip to remember: use do or does for present and did for past. Never add s to the main verb if you already used does. Wrong. Does he like pizza? Correct. Does he like pizza? 2. WH questions: who, what, when, where, why, how. These questions ask for information, not just yes or no. Structure: WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Let's try this. Where do you live? You're asking for a place. Where is the question word. Do helps form the question. You is the subject. Leave is the action. More examples. What did you eat for breakfast? This is a past tense question, so we use did. Why does she always leave early? How can I improve my English? Tip to remember: the WH word always comes first. After that, follow the same order as yes/no questions. 3. Questions with the verb to be. Sometimes, the verb to be is, are, was, were, is the main verb, so you don't need another helping verb. Structure: to be plus subject plus rest of sentence. Examples: are you tired? Are is the verb, you is the subject. Is she your sister? Was it cold last night? Tip: use am is are for the present. Use was or were for the past. No need for do or did when to be is the main verb. 4. Questions with modals: can, should, will, would. These are also helping verbs and follow the same question structure. Structure: modal plus subject plus main verb. Examples: can you swim? Should we leave now? Will they come tomorrow? Would you like some tea? Tip: modals are great for polite or future questions. Always keep the main verb in base form, no s or ed. 5. Indirect questions, more polite. Sometimes we want to ask something in a more polite or formal way. In this case, the question starts with a phrase like, can you tell me? Do you know? I wonder. Then the rest of the sentence follows normal statement order, not question order. Example: direct: where is the station? Indirect: can you tell me where the station is? Example: direct: what time does the store open? Indirect: do you know what time the store opens? Trick: in indirect questions, don't flip the subject and verb. Keep the sentence like a normal sentence. Quick review and practice together. Let's quickly review all the patterns. 1. Yes/no question: do you like chocolate? 2. WH question: where do they live? 3. Be verb: is it raining? 4. Modal: can you help me? 5. Indirect: could you tell me where the bathroom is? Now it's your turn. Try making one question using each pattern. Practice out loud. It really helps. If this video helped you understand how to ask questions in English, that means you're already improving. Keep practicing and I promise it gets easier every time. Follow my channel if you want more clear and simple English lessons like this, especially for beginners. Comment down below with one question you've always wanted to ask in English. I'll be checking and helping you out. Hit that like button if this helped you, and share this video with a friend who's learning English too. We're learning together, step by step. You're doing great. Keep going.